Alright, so now we are continuing on with section 13.6. This is number 11. For a monopolist product, the demand function is P equals 85 minus 0.05 Q, and the cost function is C equals 600 plus 35 Q. At what level of output will profit be maximized? At what price does this occur? And what is the profit? Alright, so profit is the difference between revenue and costs. So first we have a revenue function, which is the demand function times Q. So revenue is going to equal 85Q minus 0.05 Q. And profit, usually denoted by pi in economics, is going to equal the difference between revenue and cost. So it's going to be 85Q minus Q squared. Wait, which one's Q? Oh yeah, there. This one's squared. Sorry about that. I missed that. 0.05 Q squared minus 600 minus 35Q. So we're trying to figure out what level profit is maximized, so we need to find a critical value for Q. So let's take the derivative of profit with respect to quantity. We get 85 minus 0.05 times 2, which is 0.1 Q. That's 0 minus 35. I should have combined like terms, but it doesn't matter. We're good. So 85 minus 35 is 50 minus 0.1 Q. Set that equal to 0. 0.1 Q negative equals negative 50. Or Q equals 500. So now all we need to verify is that the second derivative is positive, and then we will establish that this is a maximum. So the second derivative is going to be negative d2 pi over dq2 equals negative 0.1, which is negative, and thus the function is concave down when q equals 500. So this is a relative max. So 500 is the level of output we were looking for, and now it's asking at what price does this occur and what is the profit? So the price this occurs at is going to be determined by the demand function, so we need to plug in 500 for Q. So P equals 85 minus 0.05 Q, which is 25. So the price is going to equal $60. And now the question is, what is the profit? So we have to look at the profit function. So first of all, the price times the quantity, 60 times 500 is going to give us revenue equals 30,000. Revenue equals 30,000. So we need to then look at our costs at the level of 500 for output. So cost is going to equal 600 plus 35 times 500 times 500 equals 17,500. So cost equals 600 plus 17,500 equals 18,1. And so profit is revenue minus cost. So profit equals 30,000 minus 18,100 which equals 11,900. That's the profit. And we are done. Lots of steps, not anything too difficult. You're very prepared to do this kind of analysis, given the tools that you've learned in this course. So I hope now it's all becoming clear why you did what you did and the usefulness of it. And we're done with this problem.